Most people believe the consumption of eggs daily will increase the cholesterol levels in the blood. And nutritionists also recommend avoiding eggs if you want to lose weight. Lately, there are a lot of studies that promote the opposite. Those studies recommend breakfast to include eggs, omelet or boiled. This video will show the benefits of eating 2 eggs every day to enhance your overall health. 1. It reduces the chance of developing heart issues and heart disorders. There are 400 milligrams of cholesterol in 1 egg. Eggs don't raise cholesterol levels in the body to the degree where they cause heart issues that can result in a heart attack. When we eat foods high in cholesterol, this process slows down and the levels of cholesterol are balanced since the body creates cholesterol on its own. Only 1/3 of the cholesterol in blood comes from food, and the majority is created by the body. The high content of omega-3 fatty acids in eggs is another advantage. Triglyceride levels in the blood are decreased by these acids. You should eat more eggs if you want to lower your risk of cardiovascular disease because high triglyceride levels raise that risk. 2. Folic acid consumption lowers the chance of birth abnormalities. A single egg has 0.7 micrograms of vitamin B9. Folic acid is another name for this nutrient. The fetus's central nervous system may be damaged by vitamin B9 deficiency during pregnancy. The spinal cord and brain can both be damaged by it. Consuming eggs will lower your risk and provide you with the necessary levels of vitamin B9. 3. It delays the aging process. According to a study, eating eggs helps prevent skin cancer and slows down the aging process. The same study claims that carotenoids, which are antioxidants, are present in chicken eggs. Antioxidants are particularly advantageous since they actually slow down the aging process. Carotenoids cannot be produced by the body, therefore, food is the only source of these antioxidants. The carotenoids are crucial and advantageous because they combat free radicals by catching them, making them harmless to human health. The eggs must be cooked properly in order to benefit from their restorative qualities. Because particular molecules in the egg are enhanced by heating, one cooked egg has more carotenoids than one raw egg. 4. It reduces the risk of malignant tissue. A research shows that the consumption of eggs on a daily basis reduces the risk of developing breast cancer by 18%. This goes especially for girls and adolescents. Eggs contain a lot of very important nutritional minerals, amino acids, and vitamins that are linked to the female hormones. The increased estrogen levels in the body increase the risk of breast cancer. 5. Eating eggs benefits the liver, skin, and hair. Proteins, folic acid, and biotin are all found in eggs. All of these substances are required by the body for healthy skin and hair. If you have brittle hair, you should eat eggs because they include sulfur and proteins. There is a lot of lecithin in eggs as well. This drug detoxifies the body and is beneficial for healing intestinal tract issues, therefore it also benefits the liver. 6. It improves the vision. The eyesight can be considerably improved by eggs. They include zeaxanthin, lutein, and vitamin A, all of which are excellent for vision. The vision in the dark and in the light depends on vitamin A. Zeaxanthin and lutein are beneficial for vision because they shield the eyes from free radical damage. They are crucial for color vision as well. These substances are crucial because low levels of lutein and zeaxanthin can result in catastrophic disorders like macular degeneration and cataracts. 7. It helps you lose weight faster. Proteins have a lower glycemic index than carbohydrates. When we eat foods with a high glycemic index, our blood sugar levels also rise. You feel hungry as your blood sugar rises and then drops, which is why you should eat meals with low glycemic index. Eggs really have a zero glycemic index, making them the perfect food if you are trying to lose weight. The body needs extra energy to digest the proteins. So, in order to lose weight, the ability to absorb fats and carbs must be reduced. 8. It enhances metabolism and maintains mental wellness. Choline is present in large concentrations in eggs. This nutrient plays a crucial role in a variety of metabolic processes. Acetylcholine is produced when choline is transformed. The neurotransmitter that transmits stimuli between the brain and the nerves is acetylcholine. You can get all the amounts of this nutrient you need by eating 2 eggs per day. 9. It increases the bone density and calcium levels. The body requires calcium and vitamin D for strong, healthy bones. A study found that combining calcium minerals with proteins balances the levels of calcium minerals. This promotes good metabolic functions in the bones. The body absorbs calcium minerals more effectively and better thanks to vitamin D. It's crucial to only eat eggs from organic farms, because the eggs from caged hens frequently have a lot of pharmaceutical residues in them. Even though eating eggs can be good for your health. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.